In this third part of episode 3, we'll generate the About and Contact components. Let's comment the Home component, and declare the About component. Okay, everything is laid out as expected. Let's populate the About component HTML file. Here we create a div of class container, pages, and PB5. Pretty much similar as the Home component. Inside it, we just create a H1 header with class MB4. To end up, we'll just add some random text to populate the component. Great, the About page is ready. Now let's do the Contact page. We'll do exactly the same procedure as the About page. Great, our Contact page is also ready. Now let's work on the navbar. We have to create the About and Contact buttons. Here, we'll just create two buttons with BTN and BTN info classes. Great, we have our buttons, but let's fix the spacing. Perfect, we're all set. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one, we'll route all the components. See you soon.